Who was the first Indian to win a gold medal in Asian Games? A. Milkha Singh, B. K.D. Jadhav, C. Lavi Pinto, D. P.T. Usha. Correct answer is Lavi Pinto. Who was the first woman to win the Miss Asia Pacific title from India? A. Zeenat Aman, B. Susmita Sen, C. Aditi Govitrekar, D. Dia Mirza. Correct answer is Zeenat Aman. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal? A. Karnam Malleswari, B. Saina Nehwal, C. P.V. Sindhu, D. Rajvardhan Singh Rathore. Correct answer is P.V. Sindhu. Who was the first Indian to receive the Oscar Award? A. A.R. Rahman, B. Bhanu Athaya, C. Satyajit Ray, D. Rasul Pukutty. Correct answer is Bhanu Athaya. Who was the first Indian cricketer to score a triple century in Test cricket? A. Sunil Gavaskar, B. Virendra Sehwag, C. Rahul Dravid, D. Sachin Tendulkar. Correct answer is Virendra Sehwag. Who was the first Indian woman pilot? A. Durba Banerjee, B. Sarla Thakral, C. Harita Kaur Deol, D. Gunjan Saxena. Correct answer is Sarla Thakral. Who was the first Indian recipient of the Victoria Cross? A. Khudadat Khan, B. Premendra Singh, C. Ishar Singh, D. Nirmaljit Sekhon. Correct answer is Khudadat Khan. First Indian woman to win Padma Shri Award? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Aruna Ashraf Ali, C. Nargis Dutt, D. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Correct answer is M.S. Subbulakshmi. First Indian to become a member of British Parliament? A. Dadabhai Naoroji, B. Gopal Krishna Gokhale, C. M.G. Ranade, D. Firoz Shah Mehta. Correct answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. First Indian woman to go to Antarctica? A. Meher Moose, B. Aditi Pant, C. Reena Kaushal, D. Sunita Williams. Correct answer is Meher Moose. First woman to receive Bharat Ratna posthumously? A. Mother Teresa, B. Indira Gandhi, C. M.S. Subbulakshmi, D. Aruna Ashraf Ali. Correct answer is Aruna Ashraf Ali. Who was the first Indian to get a commercial pilot license? A. J.R.D. Tata, B. Nehru, C. Vikram Sarabhai, D. Subrata Mukherjee. Correct answer is J.R.D. Tata. Who was the first Indian to receive Lenin Peace Prize? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. K.R. Narayanan, D. M.S. Subbulakshmi. Correct answer is Indira Gandhi. Who was the first Indian woman musician to win Bharat Ratna? A. Lata Mangeshkar, B. M.S. Subbulakshmi, C. Alka Yagnik, D. Anuradha Porwal. Correct answer is M.S. Subbulakshmi. Who was the first Indian female to win an Olympic bronze medal? A. Saina Nehwal, B. Karnam Malleswari, C. Mary Kom, D. P.V. Sindhu. Correct answer is Saina Nehwal. First woman to receive Gyanpith Award? A. Amrita Pritam, B. Mahadevi Barma, C. Krishna Shakti, D. Asapurna Devi. Correct answer is Amrita Pritam. First Indian to win a Grand Slam title in tennis? A. Leander Paes, B. Mahesh Bhupati, C. Sania Mirza, D. Ramesh Krishnan. Correct answer is Leander Paes. First Indian to win Nobel Prize after independence? A. C.V. Raman, B. Hargobind Khurana, C. Mother Teresa, D. Amartya Sen. Correct answer is Mother Teresa. First Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal? A. Nikhat Jarin, B. Mary Kom, C. Lavlina Borgohai, D. Sarita Devi. Correct answer is Mary Kom. First Indian to win medal at Paralympics. A. Devendra Jajaria, B. Murlikant Petkar, C. Mariappan Thangavelu, D. Obani Lekhara. Correct answer is Murlikant Petkar. First Indian woman to win gold in World Wrestling Championship. A. Bobita Phogat, B. Venus Phogat, C. Geeta Phogat, D. Alka Tomar. Correct answer is Alka Tomar. First Indian satellite launched into space. A. INSAT-1A, B. Aryabhatta, C. Bhaskara, D. Rohini. Correct answer is Aryabhatta. First woman to climb Mount Everest twice. A. Santosh Yadav, B. Basandri Pal, C. Malabat Purna, D. Reena Kaushal. Correct answer is Santosh Yadav. First Indian nuclear submarine. A. INS Chakra, B. INS Vikrant, C. INS Arihant, D. INS Kalvari. Correct answer is INS Arihant. First Indian sportswoman to win Khel Ratna Award. A. P.T. Usha, B. Karnam Malleswari, C. Kunjurani Devi, D. Saina Nehwal. Correct answer is Karnam Malleswari. First Indian state to implement Panchayati Raj. A. Rajasthan, B. Gujarat, C. Bihar, D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer is Rajasthan. First Indian to win Pulitzer Prize. A. Jhumpa Lahiri, B. Gobind Bihari Lal, C. Siddhartha Mukherjee, D. Vijay Seshadri. Correct answer is Gobind Bihari Lal. First Indian woman to become a union minister. A. Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, B. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. First Indian to become a Nobel laureate in medicine. A. Hargobind Khurana, B. Venkata Raman Ramakrishnan, C. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, D. Amartya Sen. Correct answer is Venkatraman Ramakrishnan. First Indian city to get 24/7 water supply. A. Nagpur, B. Ahmedabad, C. Surat, D. Pune. Correct answer is Nagpur. First Indian recipient of Templeton Prize. A. Vinoba Bhave, B. Mother Teresa, C. S.N. Goenka, D. Dalai Lama. Correct answer is Vinoba Bhave. First Indian author to win Sahitya Academy Award. A. R.K. Narayan, B. G. Shankara Kurup, C. Harivansh Rai Bachchan, D. Kaka Kalelkar. Correct answer is G. Shankara Kurup. First Indian IT company to cross $100 billion market cap. A. Infosys, B. TCS, C. Wipro, D. HCL. Correct answer is TCS. First Indian woman to be honored with UN Peacekeeping Medal. A. Shakti Devi, B. Kiran Bedi, C. Priya Jingan, D. Nisha Vishal. Correct answer is Shakti Devi. First Indian male gymnast to qualify for Olympics. A. Rakesh Kumar, B. Deepa Karmakar, C. Ashish Kumar, D. None of the above. Correct answer is Ashish Kumar. First Indian to win Fields Medal. A. Akshay Venkatas, B. Manjul Bhargava, C. Bhama Srinivasan, D. C.R. Rao. Correct answer is Manjul Bhargava. First Indian to win International Booker Prize. A. Gitanjali Sri, B. Arundhati Rai, C. Kiran Desai, D. Salman Rushdie. Correct answer is Gitanjali Sri. First Indian woman naval pilot A. Shivangi, B. Tania Shergill, C. Avani Chaturvedi, D. Shubhangi Swarup. Correct answer is Shubhangi Swarup. First Indian woman to fly a fighter aircraft solo A. Avani Chaturvedi, B. Bhavana Kant, C. Mohana Singh, D. Harita Kaur Deol. Correct answer is Avani Chaturvedi. First Indian University A. Nalanda, B. Takshashila, C. University of Kolkata, D. Banaras Hindu University. Correct answer is University of Calcutta. First Indian to win gold at World Badminton Championship A. Saina Nehwal, B. PV Sindhu, C. Prakash Padukone, D. Shrikant Kidambi. Correct answer is PV Sindhu. First Indian woman to win World Cup in shooting A. Anjali Bhagat, B. Apurvi Chandela, C. Monu Bhaker, D. Hina Sidhu. Correct answer is Hina Sidhu. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.